Pablo, can you share with us some tips for students who are learning to play tango and Nuevo Tango?
In the right way is to understand how the articulation is in this each tune, no? In traditional tango, the accent is the first, one of the four. In traditional, in Nuevo Tango, it's 3-3-2 has a accent that if not the articulation has to be strong, and they have to practice, not just to put in your fingers that kind of articulation with no doubt. No? That is the tip to understanding, to study this. Of course. I remember my last piano teacher, I said, I have to practice more Hanam, which is pretty famous. No, they said, you have to improve your technique with the Chopin tunes or whatever, just playing slow with the right articulation. That was applying also for this kind of music. Huh?